cushion. And okay. Okay, so I'm gonna
name.
okay, it's looking like 10:40. So I'll see y'all tomorrow after school, and I'll see you later. Peace.
Because London.
Oh, fuck. Do I did the work? Okay. Was that right? Oh, you do the transition.
What?
Do the transition. What? Do it again.
What do you mean a girl like her?
All around me are familiar faces, worn.
Okay, also, I'm back. I'm back from school. Yes. And I'm bringing my fidget spinner too. Oh, and talking about the fidget spinner, I'm gonna unbox the fidget spinner, even though I already took it out of the box and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do it right now. No, why does it never work? So this is the fidget spinner. It's like rose gold. So let's open it. Okay, take it out of the case. So here it is. Yep, it spins really fast. And it looks really cool on camera. It's like, my sister got one, and it rusted, so it doesn't spin as long as this one. So I'm gonna do a test spin, how long it spins, right now. Also, we're about to spin it. In 3, 2, 1, start.
He said he would meet him here, but the time he wasn't here.
Okay, what's up, guys? Of course, I'm back, and this is gonna be the end of the vlog. This is gonna be the end of the vlog. Bye.